This delicious microwave Italian lentil and tomato soup takes just 35 minutes to prepare and serves 4 hungry mouths. Bursting with hearty lentils, savory tomatoes, fragrant Italian herbs, and a rich vegetable broth, this soup delivers warm, comforting flavors with an authentic Italian flair, all made quickly and effortlessly in the microwave. It's the perfect, cozy, satisfying meal that's sure to impress your family and friends. Let's now check the ingredients. 1 cup dried lentils, 1 can diced tomatoes, 14 ounces, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by rinsing the lentils under cold water and draining them well. Place the rinsed lentils in a microwave-safe bowl and add the vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. Cover the bowl with microwave-safe plastic wrap or a microwave cover, leaving a small vent for steam. Microwave on high for 15 minutes, then carefully stir the mixture and recover. Continue microwaving for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and the soup has thickened. Remove from microwave and let the soup sit for 2 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed, adding more salt or pepper as desired. Garnish with fresh basil leaves before serving. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.